It's 5:30 in the morning. I wanted to get out as early as possible to beat the heat and humidity. Man, you would have thought Superman would have helped me when I was stuck in the phone booth, but no. He's just standing there looking all tough. Here at the Polka Dot Drive-In, they've got two statues of John Belushi and Dan Aykroyd playing Jake and Elwood Blues. They were brothers, and they made a movie about their journey, singing and stuff. It was called the Musical Brothers, the Smothers Brothers. So today's route, let's go to the Route-O-Matic. We are riding about 76 from Braidwood to Bloomington. Here is a Route 66 treasure, the 2-cell jail. We're going to push the button for a message.
Welcome to Gardner, Illinois. We're happy that you've taken the time to visit.
He's
and
happy.
Explore these unique and one-of-a-kind.
Look at this, 66. Check it. Nothing but corn to my left, corn to my right. I'm at the First National Bank of Dwight, where identity theft is not a joke, Jim. Fedora Brothers. No. The black suited brothers. Hey, check that out. You check it out. That is the original 66 roadbed. Let's see if we can hop on it for the next stretch. All right. Hey, here's another interesting bit of trivia on Route 66. This was a pedestrian tunnel built underneath the road because traffic was so congested so that churchgoers and pedestrians could get to the church across the street. It's 8:30 in the morning and this doesn't open till 10, so I just don't have time to stick around. But an old Standard Oil gas station in Odell, which is really neat. One of those sights that you're going to see as you travel on along Route 66. Buddy's just out looking for speeders today. Hey everybody, welcome to Chenoa, Illinois, or Chenoa, Illinois. You know me in pronouncing places. While we are on the bike path, I think it's time for some Route 66 Jeopardy! Let's choose historical figures of Route 66 for 400. This entertainer, known as the King, would often end each performance with "blank has left the building." Do 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 do. All right, that's enough. The answer is, who is Elvis? That's right, Elvis Presley. A hunka hunka burning love, baby. Here's something that's totally nerdy cool. In 1971, an astronaut brought 500 seeds with him on a lunar mission, and they circumnavigated the moon. When they brought the seeds back, all of them survived, and the trees grew, and they planted them, and they were gifted to people around the country, and they were planted. But this tree here is a sapling from a seed from one of the moon trees. Towanda, original Route 66 bridge, and we are over. What happens if you show up to a Holiday Inn with a confirmed reservation, but they have no idea what it's all about? Maybe you're at the wrong Holiday Inn. I routed straight to Springfield tomorrow. Instead of camping, I'm going to go straight to, I think it's the North Side Inn or the Northwoods Inn. I'm going to go there, stay overnight, get some AC. There's supposed to be rain kind of all afternoon, about a 20% chance. Maybe it'll rain, maybe it won't rain. But I got to slow this freight train down. I did 79 yesterday, 82 today, and I think I can do like a 64 day tomorrow, which is going to be a lot less than I had today. I was thinking about going into Lincoln, which was about 35, and then doing about another 25 or so into Springfield. But I decided I'm going to get out a little bit later, maybe about an hour later from here. I got in a little bit earlier, so doing that, I should have plenty of time to do the 64 or so into the Northwoods Inn, and then I'll evaluate and see where I'm going to go from there. The Brothers Band, the Band Brothers, the Karamazov Brothers, the Brother Walkers.